Hi, my name is Elliot Gröndahl, and in this video I will show you step by step how to mount the hydraulic easy clutch lever. What you will need is some pliers, two 8mm tools, one small Allen key size 2.5mm, and then some Loctite. The bike is a KTM 450 EXC from 2019 with a Brembo master clutch, but the installation process will be very similar on all KTM's 2 strokes or 4 strokes. Step 1 is to remove the rubber protector, and if you're not riding off-road, it's not necessary to put this back on. You will need two 8mm to take off the original clutch lever. Be careful, because there is a small spring inside here and you don't want to lose it. Now take a firm grip around the pin and pull it straight out. Replace it with the one provided together with the easy clutch. There is one rounded side and one flat side, and the rounded side should go in the pump. Now it's time for a new clutch lever. First, take an Allen key and turn the small bolt with the spring all the way down. You can use the standard bolt, and when you tighten it, you should keep in mind that you should not tighten it very hard, because this can make the clutch lever harder to pull. You should turn it so you feel it's still moving easily. Now make all adjustments with a small knob here until you find the clutch easy to work. It's important that the clutch is fully engaged when you pull the lever all the way inside to the handlebar. And when you're happy with the setup, you go back to the small screw with a spring and turn it back out to avoid vibrations. Make sure that you don't adjust this bolt to make the clutch lever be closer to the handlebar, because this can make the clutch be active at all times, and that will cause slipping of the clutch, and that can hurt your engine. So all adjustments should be made on this bolt, and as a final step you should remove vibrations with this one. And when you're happy, don't forget to put Loctite on both bolts and use the small nut to secure it.